Have you ever wondered how to make money from ShareASale? Well, let's take a step back and first understand what ShareASale is. ShareASale is a leading affiliate marketing network that allows you to earn a commission by promoting other companies' products. It's a fantastic platform that connects merchants and affiliate marketers, providing a myriad of opportunities to generate income online. Now, the beauty of ShareASale lies in its potential. With over 4,000 merchants ranging from small businesses to Fortune 500 companies, the possibilities are endless. Whether you're a seasoned affiliate marketer or just starting out, ShareASale offers a platform to grow and earn. In this video, we'll guide you on how to navigate this promising platform. We'll cover everything from signing up and understanding the interface to choosing the right merchants and promoting affiliate links. We'll even show you how to track your progress and earnings. Stay tuned if you want to learn how to be successful on ShareASale. Starting with ShareASale is as simple as signing up for an account. This process is streamlined and user-friendly, designed to get you started on your affiliate marketing journey with minimal fuss. First things first, you'll need a valid email address. This will serve as your primary point of contact with ShareASale, so make sure it's one you check regularly. Whether it's updates on your performance, notifications about new merchants, or important account information, it will all be delivered to this email. Next up, you're going to need a website or blog. This is the platform where you'll be promoting the products or services of your chosen merchants. ShareASale needs to know where their links will be placed, and it's crucial you have a space ready for this. Whether it's a blog you've been running for years, a new website you've just launched, or even a social media page with a strong following, any of these can work. Just remember, the more traffic your platform attracts, the higher your potential earnings. While signing up, you'll also be asked to provide some basic personal information. This includes your name, address, and phone number. Don't worry, ShareASale values your privacy, and this information is only used for account setup and verification. Then you'll need to fill out a brief description of your website or blog. This helps ShareASale understand what your platform is about and helps them match you with relevant merchants. Don't stress too much about it, just give a concise and accurate description of your content. Finally, you'll be asked to choose a payment method. ShareASale offers several options to accommodate different preferences. Whether you prefer direct deposit, check, or wire transfer, they've got you covered. Once you've filled out all the required information, you'll need to review and accept the terms of service. Make sure you understand these before proceeding, as they outline your responsibilities as an affiliate. Once you have your account set up, you're ready to start making money. The world of affiliate marketing is at your fingertips, and ShareASale is your gateway to it. So what are you waiting for? Let's get started. Navigating the ShareASale interface is key to your success. So, let's take a stroll through the main features, shall we? First off, the dashboard. Think of it as your command center. It provides an overview of all your activities at a glance. You'll see your recent activity, earning snapshot, and some handy quick stats. It's where you'll be able to see how your links are performing, and where you can make adjustments as needed. It's your very own control panel, where you'll be able to make big decisions based on the data you see. Next, let's talk about the reports section. This is where you'll find a more detailed breakdown of your performance. You can pull up reports based on time periods, individual merchants, or even specific links. Want to know how well your link on your latest blog post is doing? This is where you'll find that out. This is your opportunity to deep dive into your data, to understand what's working, and importantly what's not. Last but certainly not least, the affiliate links section. This is where the magic happens. This is where you'll find the links to the products you'll be promoting. You can search for specific products, browse by category, or even sort by the highest commission. Each link is unique to you, tracking any sales that come from your promotions. It's as simple as copy and paste, and voila, you're ready to start earning. But remember, the interface is more than just a collection of numbers and links. It's a tool for your success. It's where you'll be able to strategize, make decisions, and see your efforts come to fruition. So, take some time to get familiar with it. Use the dashboard to get a quick overview, dive into the reports for a more detailed analysis, and use the affiliate links section to get your unique links. In all, it's about understanding the interface, getting comfortable with it, and using it to your advantage. Because at the end of the day, understanding how to navigate the interface will set you up for success. Choosing the right merchants is crucial for your success on ShareASale. Now you might wonder, how do I go about selecting these merchants? Well, there are 3 key factors to consider: commission rates, product relevance, and merchant reputation. Firstly, let's talk about commission rates. This is the percentage of the sale price you'll receive for each product sold through your affiliate link. In ShareASale, you'll find a wide range of commission rates, from as low as 5% to as high as 50% or more. While it's tempting to go for the highest rates, remember that a high commission rate is not the only factor to consider. Next, we have product relevance. If you're running a blog about gardening, it makes sense to promote products related to gardening, right? Your audience is more likely to purchase products that are relevant to the content they're consuming. So, it's important to choose merchants that sell products or services that align with your platform's niche. This will not only increase your chances of making a sale but also build trust with your audience. Lastly, we have merchant reputation. This factor is often overlooked, but it's just as important. A merchant with a solid reputation will likely have high-quality products, excellent customer service, and a reliable payment structure. You can check a merchant's reputation by reading reviews and feedback from other affiliates. Remember, working with a reputable merchant can significantly increase your chances of success. In conclusion, when choosing merchants on ShareASale, don't just look at the commission rates. Consider the product relevance to your platform's niche and the merchant's reputation as well. Each of these elements plays a crucial role in your affiliate marketing journey. So, ensure you pick your merchants wisely to maximize your earnings. Now that you've chosen your merchants, it's time to promote your affiliate links. One of the most common ways to promote your affiliate links is through a blog. Here's how it works. You create informative and engaging content related to the products or services you're promoting. Within this content, you subtly incorporate your affiliate links. The goal is to naturally guide your readers towards these links, encouraging them to click and potentially make a purchase. For example, if you're promoting a fitness product, you might write a blog post about achieving fitness goals. And within that post, you can mention the product and include your affiliate link. It's a win-win. Your readers get valuable content, and you get a chance to earn a commission. Social media is another powerful tool for promoting affiliate links. Platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and Pinterest can be used to reach a vast audience. Similar to blogging, the key here is to create engaging content that naturally integrates your affiliate links. You could share a product review, a tutorial, or even a simple post about how much you love the product. And remember, always be transparent about your affiliate links to maintain trust with your audience. Email marketing is yet another effective avenue for promotion. If you have a list of subscribers, you can send them regular updates with content that includes your affiliate links. It could be a newsletter, a special offer, or a piece of content they might find useful. Just make sure to balance promotional content with genuinely valuable information to keep your audience engaged and willing to click on your links. Lastly, I want to emphasize the importance of creating engaging content. It's not enough to simply scatter your affiliate links throughout your content. You need to create content that your audience finds interesting and valuable. This will help drive more clicks to your affiliate links and consequently, more potential earnings for you. Remember, the more traffic you drive to your links, the more potential for earning. Keeping track of your progress and earnings is vital. It's like a compass that leads you towards your financial goals. So, how do you do that with ShareASale? ShareASale has an intuitive interface that allows you to monitor every crucial aspect of your performance. The dashboard displays a comprehensive summary of your clicks, conversions, and earnings. By keeping a keen eye on these metrics, you can gauge how well your promotional efforts are paying off. Each click represents a potential customer, and each conversion signifies that a visitor has made a purchase through your affiliate link. The earnings, of course, reflect the fruit of your hard work. By consistently monitoring these metrics, you can identify trends, understand your audience's preferences, and tweak your strategies accordingly. Remember, knowledge is power. The more you know about your performance, the better you can tailor your efforts to meet your audience's needs, and ultimately increase your earnings. With consistent tracking, you can optimize your strategies and maximize your earnings. As you can see, making money from ShareASale is a straightforward process. We've journeyed together through the steps, beginning with the simplicity of signing up. We've delved into understanding the interface, an essential tool to navigate the platform effectively. Choosing the right merchants was our next stop. Remember, your success largely depends on aligning with the correct partners. We then explored the art of promoting affiliate links. It's not just about plastering links everywhere, but about strategic placement where they'll have the maximum impact. Lastly, we discussed tracking your progress and earnings. This is crucial to understand what's working and what's not. It's the compass guiding your affiliate marketing journey. And there you have it, the roadmap to making money with ShareASale. It's a journey, not a sprint. It takes time, patience, and a dash of savvy marketing. With dedication and the right strategies, you too can start making money from ShareASale. Start your journey today.